So how do you become more productive at what you do when it comes to printed circuit boards? Well, there's a few different ways. You can work longer hours, but that doesn't really increase your productive capacity. It just increases your productivity because you're putting more effort in. You can improve your systems. If you improve your systems, and that's a systemic change, it's going to allow you to get continuous advantages. So how do you improve your systems? Well, that could be things like improving your library. It could be things like improving your tool, automating different tasks, design reuse. There's a multitude of different ways you can improve your systems. But concentrating on the system is what's going to give you the changes that are going to last. And then also the way that you proceed. So having a logical plan, putting a good goal in place for how you want to accomplish your task is going to give you the focus that you need to do what's next. And then also making sure that you get the right information up front. So working with people that are on the project with you, you want to make sure you get the correct outline, the correct standards. You need to know what you need to do to satisfy the design requirements. So that's another part of the system, is to make sure that the data that you get to start your design is going to give you what you need to complete the project. So you can balance the right aspects of the project from the engineer's perspective. Make sure that you're meeting all the signal integrity requirements. Make sure that you're performing all the routing and placement so that you meet the power requirements. Make sure the thermal requirements are met. And then design at the lowest cost. So again, these are system-related things, and you can speed a lot of things up with the way that you output your data if you input the data right. So for instance, if you have a library part that's built properly and they're all built the same way, where you can output your output drawings much faster, so that's going to speed your throughput on the post-processing part. But that's going to be a function of how well you've designed and built your libraries to start with. So they all have outlines and courtyards so that information is easily transferable from the data that you start with. And then once you have all these variables in place, then you need to work in an efficient manner. Make sure you're not duplicating efforts. Make sure that you're replicating circuits that can be replicated in a way that's going to make it. And then also keep in mind that you have to have the right channel. So the arrangement of your components is going to play make a tremendous difference on how well you can route the board. So these are just a few tips today on how you can improve your circuit board design.